In this guide, you'll learn how to fix Twitter or X app not working on iPhone after update. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or else you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next thing you want to do is check for the app update. Launch App Store, search for the app X. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is log out and log in back to your account. For that, launch X app, click on your profile icon, go to settings and privacy, then navigate to the option your account, click on account information, click on logout, wait for a few seconds and then log in back. Next up, launch settings, go to the option general, click on software update. If any new updates are available, just update it. Likewise, head back, click on iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Lastly, completely delete X from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. These are some fixes for X or Twitter app not working on iPhone after update. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.